Hello and welcome to the Channel 18 April prize draw. If you were with us last month, you may be the owner of one of these lovely prizes, but if you were with us last month, you get 2 goes because for every month that you're registered with Channel 18, you get an entry in the prize draw. So you get the chance to win potentially 2 today. We have some fantastic prizes with some new additions to the prize haul. And you should have received an email which will have given you your prize draw numbers. Super Gaz has got all those listed here, so as the numbers come up on our random number generator here, you'll be knowing whether or not you win. But before we press on with the prize draw, we have a very important announcement to make, because we've decided it's time to reveal the price of our full 18th edition online course with exam, and that is £365 plus VAT.
And we've got a 20% early bird offer. So get registered now. So all Channel 18 members, you've got an opportunity to get this at a fantastic price.
If you register yourself with Channel 18, well, you've already done that because you're here, but tell your mates to register as well, because that offer will be available as an early bird offer for Channel 18 members only. 20% off the 365 plus VAT. You'll also get lots of other details, of course, on Channel 18, including details of our update course and lots more information. But first, now, the prize draw. And we now know the value of that prize draw, because our full online 18th edition course plus a regs book, because that's the first prize in our draw, is now worth nearly £500, and somebody is just about to win it. So stand by. Here we go. I shall press the random number button first time, and it is 442.
442.
Who is 442?
We've got a lot more pages to go through this time.
Yeah.
Here we are, and the winner is 442. I'm going to say Lucia.
I'd say that's Lucia.
Lucia G. Well done. Congratulations.
So Lucia,
you're a winner.
You are already somebody who can study our 18th edition full online course, and you'll be getting a regs book as well. £500 value, fantastic prize. Okay, second prize is this beautiful Hitachi 18-volt Combi drill. Let's see. 581. 581 is the winner. Who is 581?
The suspense.
We're going to have to go electronic with these lists, guys. I think
581. Right, I am there. 581 is Stephen F. Congratulations, Stephen. Well done,
Stephen. You've got yourself a drill, mate.
Yeah,
got yourself a drill. Now, the Marshall-Tufflex Firefly clips. Fantastically useful, of course, the 18th edition, extending the scope for the need for these to retain cables, and that pack is going to 318.
Oh, straight there this time.
Very good.
Excellent. 318 is Colin B. Congratulations, Colin. Well done.
Well done, Colin.
You're a winner.
Now, the fourth prize is, I've got one down here so I don't disturb the pile, it's the Kidde Premium Alarm Pack. Thank you to our friends at Kidde for that. That is going to number 58. Oh, that's nice. We're spreading the numbers.
Oh, yeah, look at that. That's good. Okay, 58 is Matthew T. Well done, Matthew. Congratulations.
Brilliant. Now we have a new prize on the pile for this month, and that's this Martindale Lockout kit. Thank you very much to Martindale for that. That is going to 454.
454. Next page. There's a lot of numbers here. Yeah, there are. 4454. Adnan S. Congratulations, Adnan.
Well done, Adnan S. Excellent stuff. Chauvin Arnoux, the magnetic test probes. There they are. The one's down the front there, but there's my pack to show you. That's the 6th prize going to...
Oh,
636. We're right up the top there now.
Yeah, good spread of numbers.
Yeah.
636. 636. We are down to Scott K. Well done, Scott. This is great.
Scott. You got your test probes. Fantastic. And finally, the Hager screwdriver. And I've forgotten what it was for. It was a PZ2.
PZ2,
Very
yes.
good, guys. Well remembered from last time. 197. 197.
Back a page. 197 is Paul M. Paul, well done, Paul.
Well done, Paul. So those are our prize winners for this month. And next month, we'll be doing another prize draw with even more prizes. We know the prize pile is growing. I know some new stuff is coming in. So thank you very much to all the lovely companies that have supported our prize draw.
Yeah, that's very good sponsors.
Thank you to you for signing up to Channel 18. And do spread the word. learninglounge.com/Channel 18. You will get the early sign up on the price of the course, all the details on the update course as well. Next month, there'll be another draw at the end of May. See you then.
See you then. Thank you.